For the first time?
Yes.
Your first hot chocolate? Hold it carefully. 2 hands. You may take a sip. Careful. Oaks, just take a sip of hot chocolate. All right, little critter, take a sip.
I'm drinking hot chocolate.
Okay.
Don't warm me up. That's it. All right, little critter.
All right, little critter.
Logan, be careful.
Take a drink.
Hold the cup with 2 hands and take a drink.
We don't want to spill it.
Like a big girl cup. What do you think?
And I'm done.
Here, did you like it?
Yep.
You want a spoon or a
Straw?
straw?
Nope.
What does it taste like?